Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you a new Android project that we will be developing in this tutorial live stream, so which will be able to merge multiple PDF documents here, so which we will be building inside Android Studio. So basically now let me run this application here. So if you are joining it for the very first time, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel. So this is basically the latest Android Studio that you're seeing right here, and basically it contains a run button here. Let me run this application on my mobile phone. So now you can see the application has been launched here, and it contains two buttons out there. This select PDF files to merge, and the second button which basically says that you need to merge your PDF files. So I need to basically run the button here to now select the PDF files from the gallery. So basically, if I click this button, you will now see a message will pop in that please select at least one PDF file. So I need to select the PDF file here, and I will go into the directory here. So I need to select multiple PDF files here. So if I select this one and this one, so I will see we have selected three PDF files here. And now there is an option here to select here. So I will simply press the select button. So if I press the select button, you will see you have selected three PDF files. If I click merge here, you will see PDF files merged successfully, and now you can open this inside your editor. You will see this is 3 pages it contains inside it. You will see that this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page. So in this case, guys, you can merge multiple PDF documents here like this using Android, and for this we are using a library that you are very familiar with. If you search for this library, which is iTextPDF, so basically it's a leading PDF library for Java developers, and we will be basically using this library for this project. So now let's get started. All the source code, guys, is given in the description of this video, so you can basically go to the blog post. I have written complete blog post, so where step by step source code is given. So now I will go into the Android Studio here, and basically here I will create a new project, and here I will select empty activity, click on next, and here you will say merge PDF app. So you will see now you just need to select your language. I will select Java language, and then basically click on finish. So now this will basically build out your project. Let me close the previous ones. So this is your project, guys. You will see Gradle is building here, so just wait for the Gradle to finish. Now the first thing we need to do, guys, we need to add this library inside your Gradle file. So once the Gradle finishes, we can add this inside our. So just wait here, the Gradle is finishing here. So now you need to go to your build.gradle file, guys, right here, and here you just need to basically add this dependency, which is this one, iTextPDF. So just add this line here inside your dependency section. So paste this line. So this is com.iTextPDF 5.5 13.2, and click on this button synchronize now. So basically now this will synchronize the dependencies, and after this you just basically need to go to your manifest file here, android manifest.xml file, and here you just need to add the permission here. So we need to add the permission for the read external storage, and also we need to add the permission for external storage as well. So we just need to add these two permissions, guys, if you have successfully added that. And now we also need to go to main activity.java file, guys, right here. And before that we will write the layout for this application. So just go to layout activity underscore main.xml, and here we will write the actual XML code which is required for this. So this will basically a simple linear layout, guys, which will contains these two buttons out there. Let me just add this, copy and paste it. You can find this inside my blog post. So you will see we have two buttons out there. First one is for selecting the image PDFs. We have given a unique ID to it, and then we have got merge PDF button, which will also have its unique ID. Now we just need to go to main activity.java, and here we just need to target these buttons. So first of all, we need to declare two private variables. This one will be a final integer, and this will be request pick PDF files. This will be equal to 1. And here, guys, we will basically be declaring two buttons here. This will be button, and this button will be for select PDF, and the second button will be for merge PDF. Now we can simply get the references of both these buttons by find view by id r.id dot merge select PDF. So basically we can rename this to select PDF, and similarly we can have the merge PDF find view by id r.id dot merge PDF button. So as you can see, guys, we have got the references of both these elements. Now we can basically bind the on click. So whenever we click basically this button select PDF, we can say set on click listener, new view on click listener. So whenever we click on this button, what should happen? So let me run this app here, guys. If I run this app, so what should happen? You will see basically, let me show, this app will launch here. So just wait for the Gradle process to complete. The app will launch here and it is just installing it. So now you will see basically this is the app here, and if I press these buttons, nothing happens. So we need to basically attach the on click listener to these buttons right here. So I am doing the same thing here. We are attaching this on click listener to it. So now what we need to do, guys, we basically need to open the gallery. You open the user gallery. So here we'll say that intent class we will use intent, and then we will simply say here new intent, and then we will say intent dot action open document. And then we need to set the type of that set type. So basically, as this is application slash PDF, this is mem type of PDF document. Intent dot put extra, and here you will say that intent dot extra allow multiple. So this basically ensures that you will be able to select multiple PDF documents, and then we can simply call start activity, and this will start activity for result. We will pass the intent, and then we will say that request pick PDF files. That's all. This is actually the code, guys, which is open the basically gallery. If I now again open this application, run this application. So now if you see, if I click the button, you will be able to select your gallery. You will see the gallery will open. If I select these files, nothing will happen. So now we just need to make sure that whenever we select the files, we just need to basically select the files. So now basically there is a button, method that we can implement, guys. This method is called as on activity result. This method is available for each and every activity. So if you just type here on activity result, Android Studio will automatically add the super call to you. So now inside this method, we just need to say, we need to check if the request code is equal to the request code that we specify, and the result code, if it is equal to OK. So So in that case, we can simply say we need to simply declare a variable, guys, at the very top where we will be storing all these PDF documents. So this will be a private variable of list, and this will be of the type URI ham selected PDF. So whatever PDF document that you select, we will store this inside array list like this. So just let me just copy this line and paste it outside. Just put private here like this. And after this, guys, what we need to do right here, whenever you have got some elements, first of all need to clear out. So we will say I'm selected PDFs dot clear, and then we will say if the data that is there, if data dot get data, if it is not equal to null, in that case we just need to push this. So we say I'm selected PDF, and we will call the add method, and we will get the data using get data function. That's all. And then we will have this condition that if data dot get clip data is not equal to null, in that case, so it is meaning that if multiple PDF documents are selected, in that case we will basically run a for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I data dot get clip data, and it will give you the number of items the user has selected PDF files. So inside this for loop, we will say I'm selected PDFs dot add. Inside this, we will get clip data and get item at. You'll pass the position, which is I, which is the index number, and we will get the URI. That's all. So in this way, you can get if multiple PDF documents have been selected. And after that, you do this, guys, you can simply show a toast message to the user that you have selected this much of files. So selected, and then we can concatenate how many PDF files the user has selected like this. So this toast message will stay on for shorter period. So you can say that. So that's all, guys. And now if you run this application, what should happen? If I run this, so now if you basically select here button here, and let's suppose I select here 3 PDF documents, you will see selected 3 PDF files. You can see that there is a toast message here. If you select one, selected one. If you select here 2, so selected 2 PDF files. So now we need to say we need to merge these PDF files as well. So we will say that selected, so just space. And this code is complete, guys. Now we simply need to move to the merge one. So whenever we click the merge PDF button, what should happen? So we will say we again need to set a on click to it also. So whenever we click this merge PDF button, so what should happen? So here we just need to basically what we need to do here. So here we will have a simple if condition here. First of all, we will check if am selected PDFs is empty. So if this is the case, if the PDF documents are empty, in that case, we will simply show a message to the user that please select one PDF file. Please select at least one PDF file. And this message will show here for. So I think you need to say here main activity dot this like this. So if you now open this here, guys, application, and if you try to, let's suppose, hit the button merge PDF document, you can see please select at least one PDF file. So you need to select at least one PDF file. If you select it and then hit it, nothing happens. So for this, we just need to say, and also we need to say return. just add this line return here. So this will close this application. So after this, guys, now in order to merge the PDF documents, it's very easy. We will write all this code inside try catch block. So we will basically catch this exception as exception E, and here we say that that's all E dot print stack trace. So inside this, basically, guys, what we need to say, we will make use of the iTextPDF class. So first of all, we will say file and merged PDF file. Let me just make the variable. So we will be storing it inside, guys, inside our directory. So it contains a method get external storage public directory, and here we will be storing it inside our documents directory. So directory documents. So we will simply need to also basically give the file name also. So we will say the system class we will use get current time millisecond, and then we will concatenate this name merge.pdf. So every time, guys, it will generate a random file name with the help of this system.current time millisecond. 3 people watching, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and then we'll concatenate the file name. That's all. You will see that. So every time it will generate random file name. So this is basically the file which is there, guys. Now we need to merge this file. This is the output file name that we have given. For merging it, we will basically use this file output stream, and output stream we will call this new file output stream, and here we will say pass the output file, and then we will initialize basically this document, guys. This you need to select this one com.iTextPDF text, and here we say that document, a new document. Let me create some space here, and basically here pass just initialize the constructor, and then we will say PDF copy. This basically it contains a class, guys, PDF copy inside iTextPDF. You just need to say like this copy, a new PDF copy, and here we pass the document and the output stream. And then we will open the document like this document.open, and then we will say we will run a simple for loop, guys, and so we will say whatever PDF files which are present inside this array list. Here you will see we have declared this variable amp selected PDFs. So whatever it's available, we will basically use the PDF reader class. Make sure that you use the iTextPDF one, PDF reader. Android Studio is automatically adding all these import statements. You will see that, guys, so I don't need to add them manually. So inside this PDF reader, we will say get content resolver, and it contains a method which is open input stream, and here we just need to pass the PDF URI. So PDF URI, that's all. So here we need to call copy.add document, and here we need to pass the reader object. That's all. And then we need to close the reader. That's all. So after this, guys, we need to close the document like this, close the document, and close the output stream as well. And then we will show a simple message on the screen that your PDF files merged successfully. So now, guys, we also need to open this PDF file, guys, also inside a PDF viewer. So what we can do is that, let me first of all show you if it's working or not. So this is my file, and let me select these 2 files. Click on this button. You will see PDF files merged successfully. And now I need to open this file also, guys, inside a PDF viewer. So how we can do that? We can use basically the intent class, again intent, and basically we'll call it simple intent here, new intent, and here we will pass intent.action_view, and here we need to pass the URI guys of the file that we need to open. So you need to file URI, and for this guys we will use the file provider class, and it contains a method get URI from file. You need to pass the context here, main activity this, and in the second argument you need to pass your build config dot application ID, and here we need to concatenate dot provider. Just make sure dot provider and then the merged PDF file. That's all. So it is saying that cannot resolve method get URI file from. Let me just write this once again. I think if this method you need to add some code inside your Android manifest, or you can see this now is complete here. You will see nothing is there. Merged PDF file. Let me replace that. Merged PDF file. So after this guys we need to open the intent set data type. So this will be, first of all we will pass the file URI, and then we will pass the application/PDF. This is the mem type, and then we need to say add flags. We need to add the flag which is flag grant read URI permission, and then we need to start the activity guys. That's all. And before running this code guys, you just need to add some kind of code inside your Android manifest.xml code. I have provided this code guys that we need to write. You can follow my blog post. This code is given. So right here inside your Android manifest file here, right inside application, just add this code which is provider, and you just need to create this file xml/file paths. So right inside your XML file, create a new XML resource file which is file_paths, and inside this you just need to paste this code guys which is there. So we just need to add one other external path. This will for the documents. So wherever you are storing it. So we are storing it inside the documents directory. So that's why we just need to add this external path. So in the latest version of Android, you need to do like this. So if you now basically run your application, hopefully now this will open. So just wait. Now the application opens. If I select these three PDF documents, click on merge. So now you can see PDF files merged successfully, and now you can open this inside PDF viewer. You can see this is the second page, this is the third page. So it contains images, text as well. So in this way guys, you can basically merge multiple PDF documents inside your Android application using this library which is iTextPDF. So all the source code is given in the description of this live stream. You can just get all the source code, and if you face any sort of problem you can go to the description of this blog post. And thank you very much for watching this live stream.